Alright, so in this video, we're going to look at how to clone a Git repository in Azure DevOps. I'm here in my project inside the repository. If we click on the clone button, you can see there are a few different methods. You've got HTTPS, SSH, or you can do it directly through your IDE. We are going to walk through each one of these methods. So let's start with HTTPS. For this, we are going to need to generate a personal access token. To do that, you just need to go into your user settings and into the personal access tokens menu. Go ahead and create a new path. I will give it a name here. As a quick security measure, I'm going to decide to only give it access to the code repositories, and now I will just copy this path and keep it safe. Now we can head back over to our repo. In the clone menu, we are now going to grab the HTTPS URL to use. All I need to do now in my terminal is to run the command git clone followed by that HTTPS URL and to paste the private access token. So that's the first method. Now we can talk about SSH. For this to work, you will need to configure your Azure DevOps settings to use your SSH key, which you should have created beforehand. There is a direct link right here in the clone repository menu. But otherwise, you can just go through the user settings menu. By the way, I will drop a link in the description that explains how to create an SSH key if you need it. It's as simple as adding your public key to your profile. Then, just like with HTTPS, you come back here, copy the URL we are interested in, and we are going to run a git clone on it. And finally, the last method, as you can see, you can use several different IDEs. Here's a list. I use VSCode, so let's click on clone in VSCode. And then, once the application is open, all we need to do is choose the folder where we want to clone the repo, and then add our personal access token. After that, all the synchronization and features available with VSCode will be activated. And that's pretty much it for today. If you found this video helpful, a cheeky little tap on the like button would be amazing, as it really helps the channel out. I will put a link to the Azure DevOps tips playlist right here, and also another video that you might find interesting. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one.